Good evening, backyard bandits. You're probably wondering how Mr.Pollo ended up in a hedge.
Was lounging in Whiskers Park, investigating the burping grass. Then suddenly, ACHOO! The sprinkler let out an earth-shattering sneeze.
Launched skyward like a fuzzy rocket. I warned him about those gassy blades.
I tried to explain about the sneezing sprinkler, but Mr. Grid was already in full I told ya.
See, what did I tell you?
Clearly, this is a case of weaponized lawn care. I recommend Mr. Pollo purchase a tiny parachute immediately.